It took me years to figure out how to make money online. I tried things, I failed, and I tried things again. That led me here, teaching you how you can actually make money online. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $100,000 on the internet. I believe the internet is the best place to leverage your time and energy to make the most money. You can work anywhere in the world and have less headaches, and you can be able to scale using technology. And one key thing to note before we dive into all these is you should be working to build your brand and your audience online so that you can sell things to that audience that you truly believe in and over-deliver to that audience as well. The formula here is to bring your audience non-stop value. Value is everything. It is the biggest commodity on the internet. So if you can give them more value than they paid for, they're going to want to buy from you over and over and over again. And this is truly how you can make money on the internet, is you want to be able to help people first. So let's dive in. Number one is to repurpose content for YouTube and podcasts. This is a major wave that has come about in the last couple of years because video on the internet is everything. And people need repurposed content so that they can utilize it on different social networks and on YouTube. If you've seen the explosion of TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, all of these platforms are exploding right now. And a lot of creators and a lot of businesses need people who can recreate their content into short form video. Short form video is a massive, massive business opportunity for a lot of people. I, for example, pay thousands of dollars every single month to repurpose content for YouTube Shorts, for TikTok, for Instagram, and everything else in between. In addition, I have people cut up my podcast episodes and they repurpose those podcast episodes so that we can repost them on all of those platforms. And you can charge your clients thousands of dollars per month just to do this. And here's why it's worth it for those clients. In June of 2022, we started to post on TikTok twice a day, and we grew from 0 to 100,000 followers just in a couple of months. This was well worth the spend to be able to do that. And a lot of other brands understand that as well, that you can grow really quickly with short form video. So they are willing to spend the money. Number two is an online sales rep. Now you're going to need to have sales skills to become an online sales rep, but a lot of people can do this and they can learn how to have sales skills as well. So a good portion of people out there are going to just have it. They're going to be able to sell right off the bat. Another portion is going to have to learn how to sell, but they will still make a lot of money. And the last portion of the population probably just doesn't have what it takes to sell. But online sales is how you can make a massive amount of money. You can sell software for companies. You can sell digital courses for creators. There's so many different opportunities out there. You just have to go out and be able to understand what to look for. So when you do this, target trying to make about $10,000 a month, but I have friends who make $30,000 to $40,000 per month just by selling things online. Number three is selling video courses. Now, when it comes to selling video courses, you have to have knowledge about a subject, and it can be any type of subject, whether it's money, health, fitness, it doesn't matter. But you have to have knowledge on that subject and be able to share things with people that they did not know previously. Now, here's the key to selling online courses is you want to over-deliver in value and you want to create an outcome for somebody else. So say, for example, somebody wants to gain more muscle by lifting weights. Well, you want to have an online, and if you're in the fitness space, you want to have an online course available for them where they can build that muscle and have that outcome by the time they finish that course. So this is an opportunity for you to see, how does someone get from point A to point B? Now, the great thing about online courses is you make them once and they can make you money perpetually for a very long period of time. You're going to have to update the courses and make some adjustments, but for a long period of time, you can make it once and then you can make money off those courses. Some great platforms to do this are Kajabi and Teachable, where you can upload all of your videos onto those platforms and they service your course for you. Number four is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an amazing way to make an income. For example, Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income used to post income reports on his affiliate marketing alone, and he used to make over $100,000 per month just by affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when you represent a product, and if someone clicks on your link and buys that product, then you get a percentage of that commission at no additional cost to the person who clicked that link. So a great example of this is Amazon Associates. Amazon has its own affiliate marketing program. So you see influencers and people with a platform that are showing you Amazon products, and every time you click on that Amazon product, they get a very small percentage of the revenue. And so this is a fantastic option for people with a platform. This is why building your audience is so incredibly important, because if you can build an audience and be able to provide value to that audience and trustworthy products that you actually use, then affiliate marketing is an amazing way to make an additional income. Number five is a video editor. We pay thousands of dollars every single month to video editor. And video editors are one of the most valuable things out there. Because right now, video is everything, and it is the future of the internet. Everybody needs videos made. And learning how to edit videos and editing them well is a skill that is extremely valuable. And a lot of people out there are willing to pay hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per month to their video editors so that they can put those videos on whatever platform they are looking into, from short form video to YouTube videos to even commercials. There's so many different ways that you can make money as a video editor, but learning how to do it and do it well is extremely powerful. Number 6 is flipping items. So I used to flip items on Amazon FBA, where I would go to Walmart and look in the clearance section and scan items with my Amazon seller app and see if they would be profitable on Amazon. Now, this is an amazing way for you to make additional income as well. You can go to stores like Target, Walmart, Amazon, but you can also do retail arbitrage online as well with websites like Brickseek, which show you products that are extremely discounted. So this is a really cool way to make more money, especially if you want to ship it off to Amazon and have it somewhat passive. You can also do things if you have a specific expertise. Think of someone like a sneakerhead. If you know a lot about sneakers, you can flip sneakers and make a really, really good income. You find sneakers or you get them at lower prices and you flip them on StockX, eBay, and all the other sites that are out there. So this is another amazing way to make money online, is to flip items. I absolutely love flipping items for people who are just starting out because you can really make a good income by doing this. And then number 7, if you're looking to build a lasting business that will sell, a digital agency is another amazing way to make your first $100,000 online. Now, what is a digital agency? A digital agency is someone who handles all your online marketing needs so you don't have to do it in-house. They can promote your products, services, all these different things online, from social media to Facebook ads, to digital ads. There's so many different ways that they can do this. And the cool thing about digital agencies is you can really make good money because people are willing to spend money on advertising dollars. So this is a really cool way to make money very quickly. And the amazing thing about digital agencies is you can also sell them in the future. So if you build up a nice digital agency, you can sell that to a larger company in the future for 10, 12 times multiples. Listen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how you can build wealth and earn more income online. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell as well. And we will see you on the next video.